Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 to this. We're going to take the artistic media tool and draw a little squiggly line. We're going to go ahead and select it all and go up to Object, break the artistic media apart, and that way it'll get rid of that annoying line that you almost have to do anything. This time we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to draw a 2-point line like we did in the previous video. We'll bring this down and we don't have to group it, but we're going to use the transform or transformation docker, which is under Windows Docker Transform. We're going to rotate it. We don't have to do anything. We don't have to set the center rotation. We need 36, but we already got one, so 35. Then all you have to do, you don't have to ungroup it because it's not a group. Just take the Alt key and swipe through there and hit delete, and you have that pattern. Pretty cool way to do things. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.